Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
Let's have a look at this question. Julie knits 150 squares. Julie uses some of the squares to make a rectangular blanket. The blanket is 6 squares long and 4 squares wide. Calculate the percentage of the 150 squares she uses to make this blanket. Each square has a side length of 15 centimeters. Work out the perimeter of this blanket. Give your answer in meters. So let's start with question 1a. We know that Julie knits a total of 150 squares. All right. The blanket she makes is 6 squares long and 4 squares wide. So it is 6 squares long and 4 squares wide. Okay, so here we have 6 squares and here we have 4 squares. Calculate the percentage of the 150 squares she uses to make this blanket. Now to find how many squares she actually uses, I am going to multiply the length by the width. 6 times 4 is equal to 24. So that means she uses 24 squares. Okay? Now I must calculate what percentage 24 is of 150. 24 out of 150 multiplied by 100. Okay, so that gives me 2,400 divided by 150. What is 2,400 divided by 150? It's equal to 16. So the percentage will be equal to 16%. Moving on to part B. Each square has a side length of 15 centimeters. Work out the perimeter of the blanket in meters. So the blanket is 6 squares long, so that means the length will be 15 centimeters multiplied by 6. So the length will be 90 centimeters. And what about the width? What about the width? So it's 15 centimeters multiplied by 4 because we know that the blanket is 4 squares wide. That gives me 60 centimeters. Okay, so now I'm going to calculate the perimeter of the rectangle using the following formula. 2 multiplied by the length plus the width. So it's going to be 2 multiplied by 60. It's actually the other way around. 2 multiplied by 90 plus 60. What is 90 plus 60? 90 plus 60 is equal to 150. 2 times 150 is equal to 300. Okay, so it's 300 centimeters, but they are asking us to give our answer in meters. So if we convert centimeters to meters, we have to divide by 100. Now, what is 300 divided by 100? That gives us 3. So the perimeter of the blanket is equal to 3 meters.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.